walks into our home every other month as we witness a miracle called life. The red-whiskered bulbuls find a home or heaven for nesting. Little brown fluffy bodies, white-chested, and little crimson red around their cheeks. They look so adorable and sound so melodious. It begins with the bulbuls hopping from one place to another to select the best site to build their nest. They never choose a place that was recently nested in. The bulbuls make a distinct sound as if seeking each other's approval on the right site. They use twigs, straws, shreds of paper, and cloth to build the nest. The bulbul lays 2-3 eggs that get hatched in 14 days. For the next 9 days, the babies who have a voracious appetite are fed insects and plants by their parents. When the babies are ready to fly, the parents perform a drill, flapping wings, doing short flights to instruct the young ones. The babies try to imitate them and soon are all over the house. Our hall is a no-fly zone. If we try to cross the room, the bulbuls dart at us, as this one did. In a few hours, they are out into the open, ready to face the world of the brave. While they leave behind some life lessons on independence, love, and care, we are happy to allow nature a chance to survive, preserving our ecosystem, our natural heritage.